Hey IELTS community, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I'm back with another video for IELTS prediction for computer-based IELTS test. This video is for both academic as well as GT, so watch this video till end. I'm going to provide you authentic real exam material. Along with that, I will also share some useful insights that can be very helpful for you guys on this exam date. So let's start off with the prediction. First of all, I would recommend you guys to use the platform IELTS1stopcpt.com, a completely free resource right now where you can practice for IELTS on computer-based format. The best part is that the content, especially the reading and listening that we have shared over there, is from real exam. We have gathered almost all the reading and listenings that were asked in real exam in 2025 and 2026 and share them in the test format. Practice from authentic material that can help you get your desired scores. Moving on to the prediction itself, starting off with the listening prediction, expected question types. There are three to four I would highly recommend you guys to practice. Form completion, there is always going to be there in the section 1, which can be one word or a two word type of blanks. It can be a conversation over phone call. You must prepare your mind according to that. In section 2, there can be a map or MCQ. It would generally be an information where the person is giving information about something. Then the next one, which is going to be a discussion. It can be a discussion between students, like three students, three speakers can be there, two speakers can be there. There can be more, choose more than one option type of MCQ or simple MCQ. This is going to be the most trickiest part of listening. And in the last section, there can be a lecture about any topic. It would be a scoring part. Most expected sections that you can expect in your exam. Before I let you know, you can solve these sections on our Chan website where you can practice them. Sailing courses, Mona Islands, research on absence from work, transhumance, travel insurance, Parkview Hotel, Roberts Company, gamification, patient record, Division Wildlife Park, campsite, eco farm tour. For tips, I would highly recommend you guys to stay focused throughout the listening audio, and you should try to use the time that they provide you in the wise manner. Avoid distractions between the listening practice, and at the same time work on spellings and MCQs. Like these are the game changers. In case of reading, expected question types which you can bet on 100% are true false not given, blanks, and sentence completion, and MCQ. Apart from this, there is always a chance of list of heading, which can be a tricky part, and which paragraph contains information can also be there. Academic high probability passages that repeated in the past and can also do in the future. Again, these are also available on our website ielts1stopcpt.com. You can use that for practice. Asteroids, mission to collect material on moon, science of sleep, study of chimpanzee culture, film noir, Grimm's fairy tale, timekeeper, invention of marine chronometer, the constant evolution of humble tomato, the persuaders, museum blockbuster, dirty river but clean water, petrol power and eco revolution. These are for academic. In case of GT reading, what we have done over our prediction website, we have shared almost 10 to 15 real exam GT tests that were asked to our students in past, and you can practice them, and they are also created in the format which is identical to the real exam. Notice and advertisement can be there in the section 1. In section 2, there can be a workplace or company information, and in section 3, there can be a lengthy passage which can be time consuming and where you need to work hard. In case of writing prediction for 6 May, I would highly recommend you guys to work on problem and solution or direct question type of question, because these are highly important and are asked at different level, especially for GT students. In case of academic task 1 for probability, I would recommend you guys to solve table or process diagram. These should be on your highest probability list. In case of task 1 for GT, informal letter can be there in most of the scenario, but in some areas there can be a formal letter. Most expected task 2 topics can be regarding these categories: handwriting disappearing in modern society, unhealthy food habits, advertising influence, and benefits of studying abroad. Other than that, you should prepare the writings which are shared on our Telegram group. So what we have done is we have shared almost all the writing topics that we get from our sources across the globe in our Telegram group, and there is always a chance that you might get the same in your exam as well. So use that in case of speaking prediction. In part one, there can be work, study, or hometown. These are going to be there 99% of the time. Rest ones can be shopping, health, advertisement. In case of expected cue cards, describe a person who solved a problem in a smart way, a time when you needed to use your imagination, an unusual meal you had, an interesting building, a perfect job you would like to do in the future, a trip you would like to go on, a time you received a good service in a shop, a positive change in your routine, a successful sports person you admire. Expected part 3 are also similar to the cue card. You can use Makar PDF for preparation. They provide part 3 as well. So use that. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Best wishes for your exam. Hope you guys get your desired band scores. Again, I repeat, use our website ielts1stopcvt.com, a completely free resource which you can use for your practice.